श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओं। लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गदामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धैभवद्ब्रह्मेन्द्र गङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियां। Hello everyone. Let us know about the August monthly horoscope results. The transit results which I say will happen only 60%. Birth horoscope results are 90%. Astrology is just an index science. The 100% results are only for the sakes. This is the thing you all have to understand and follow. I hope you all will follow for sure. Hello everyone, let us know about the August monthly horoscope results. Cancer results are as follows. The results in the first week are negative. The results in the next 3 weeks are average. Textile and handloom traders are at profit. Excessive talking can cause you many problems. If you want to purchase a new vehicle, it is better to purchase in the last 3 weeks. Do not invest for second hand vehicle. There are chances to losing a vehicle in the first week. Beware of losing vehicle. Amazing profit to the automobile and drivers. Loss to the poultry and dairy industries in the first week. The students have opportunities to get great result in competitive exam like IELTS, GRE, TOEFL. Educational profit to the students. Do more hard work and get good results. Minimum loss of employment for employees. There are more transfer opportunities for private sectors. In the first week, all traders will have a great result if they work hard. Do not invest money in share markets and speculations in the first week. There are chances of losing money in gambling in the last 3 weeks. There are few chances of getting sick. Be careful and take care of yourself. The pregnant women should be very careful while traveling on a two-wheeler vehicle. It is safe for them to stay at home. Pregnant ladies will have a chances to getting natural delivery. Crop yields for farmers. Profit for those who sell turmeric, cotton, jaggery and millets. Court cases are more likely to occur. Minimum loss to the LIC, medical and housing agents in the last 3 weeks. Unwanted speeches are likely to irritate others. Advantages in property transfers that should come from siblings. The beneficial profit to the furniture, glass and resin industries. Fishermen are at loss. Do not go into sea for hunting the fishes in the first week. The chances of getting a green card, PR and visa are at peaks. There are amazing chances of going abroad. Benefit for doctors, medical teams, lawyers and policers. Slight loss to all the writers, music directors, composers, producers, actors and directors in the film industry. There are no chances of getting high position in the political arena in the first week. Quarrels between siblings. Athletes, dancers and singers will have an extraordinary development. Amazing development for those in the field of construction, pharma and real estate traders. Lovers, wife and husband will have a more conflicts in the first week. Great profit for goldsmiths. Work hard and get opportunities for monetary growth. Take proper provisions in the first week. This month is auspicious for everyone in the last 3 weeks except in the first week. I want everyone to lead a happy life, prosperity, good health and wealth in this month and every month too. Enjoy every moment happily. Have a nice month. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear viewers, I owe you an apology for the grammatical errors I have done. I take full responsibility for my actions and I will try to recollect my mistakes and at least do a bit better in my upcoming videos. Thank you. Namaskaram. Swasti prajabhya paripalayantam न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषाः గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్య శుభమస్తు నిత్యం. లోకా సమస్త సుఖినో భవంతు.